Hey everybody, Jen here with the Sewing Report, and we're going to do a different sort of video today. We are vlogging. Recently I got a vlogging camera. This is the Sony ZV-1, and I sort of wanted to do some more casual style videos. So I just finished filming another video for my other channel, Jen Talks Forever. I recently also got my very first iPhone. So I did a little unboxing and sort of walking through like what it was like to set it up and what it's like to be a first time ever iPhone owner. So we're just hanging out. I actually had my makeup done, so I thought maybe today would be the day. I also will show you kind of what goes on. Day in the life YouTuber. Got some packages today. We're also going to be getting a snack soon and just sort of showing what's new here at the Sewing Report headquarters. I ordered some stuff from scrapbook.com, first time ever. They have this stuff called mint tape, and it's low-tack repositionable tape. I thought this would be good for Sizzix projects when I'm running dies through, so the paper or whatever I'm putting on with the die doesn't get all out of whack. And then I also tried ordering this glitter paper. It's really pretty, and I think I might try to do some Christmas cards with it or some other paper stuff, but the glitter is super pretty. I mean, you can see it here. And they have the most gorgeous shades. This one's more of like a metals collection. And then I also got a magic mat. This is supposed to help save your cutting pads with the Sizzix by putting this on one side. So like the die would meet the mat. This does look a lot like a self-healing cutting mat, but hopefully this cuts down on wear and tear. And it's supposed to work pretty well, so I'm gonna try to see what I can do with it, and I might do a review on it. And then as a free gift, I also got this really cute Holly Jolly stamp from scrapbook.com. And also, side note, I am now a scrapbook.com affiliate, so there will be a link below. And I've been back at it making hair clips again. This is going to be a video. I've been working on editing this one for a while, but it's just not finishing. So I made some really cute Christmas hair clips, and I also made hair bows too. And I'm going to be giving these out as gifts this year. I got to get some stuff in the mail, but these turned out super cute. And now I have a really nice selection. I just got a Kroger delivery. I love this service. I find the prices to be really good, and the service, in my opinion, has been exceptional. So this is just part of the order. I've already started putting some of it away. Guys, I got this turkey for 49 cents a pound, so it's about $5 or $6. I gotta look at my receipt to see what the final was on it, but it's a 10 to 14 pound turkey, and I got it for like $6. And Kroger will also deliver wine. So I always get the like Bay Bridge house brand. It's around $2.99 a bottle, but I love that you can get alcohol delivered. You do have to show an ID, so that is cool. And Kroger has their own in-house delivery service, so it's not like a third-party service like Instacart or Shipt. And they drive refrigerated trucks. So the groceries always get to me in really good shape. Hello. We've got our little Toki Hut castle set up here. I know you're a happy boo-boo. I think she's gonna take that down. Oh, there we go. There we go. It is cilantro time. Good girl. This is actually a fairly exciting delivery. This ginormous box showed up today, and I'd sort of forgotten what it was, but then I remembered. So let's rip it open. Got my box cutter. This is a pretty massive amount of tape. Okay. Well, can anybody guess what this might be? Yay! Here's the deal. I was accepted as a wholesale purchaser for Cloud9 Fabrics. I'm a longtime fan of the brand, and since I've been selling in the Etsy shop, I have been working with a few like distributors and then fabric manufacturers, and Cloud9 allowed me to purchase from them. So I'm going to be stocking Cloud9 fabric soon in the Sewing Report Etsy shop. I got a great deal on these bolts. There are a few different types of substrates. I have some quilting cotton, some cotton linen, something called sheeting, cotton gauze, and some knits. I'm not really sure exactly how I'm going to be packaging these items or in what forms of selling, but thought I would give it a shot. These are super cute, and the red knit back there is cuter than it looks like in the photos, so that's awesome. I think I can make some fun stuff with that. So I'll be using these to make some samples and then maybe doing some kits with them or even selling some bundles. So let me know what you think in the comments. Do you like these fabrics? This yellow knit is really cool. And then here's a navy blue. So we have a navy blue knit, stripes, red knit stripes, this yellow patterned knit fabric. All right, I'm a little bummed. This one got a little bit dirty in shipping because it looks like this popped open. So hopefully I can get this out, or I guess we won't be working with that particular section. So this is a huge order, and I am super excited about this. I know what this is. This one is from Moo, the place where I get all of my Sewing Report marketing stuff like stickers, business cards, little inserts, that sort of thing. So I placed a fairly large order. I also am gonna try out, they also have some really cool new water bottles. So I ordered a few of those. This is the video I'm currently editing. If I ever get it done, I'll be putting it out. Hopefully it's after this one, or by the time you see this, it's already out. I made some really cool glitter bows, and I also used some vegan leather as well from Jewel Box Supply. I did the other video about the hair clips. Really liked the material, so I thought I would do sort of a follow-up. And I know I said I wasn't going to do bows, but I ended up doing bows. So I've got a lot of stuff to sift through. I also had some audio issues. I'm currently working out the audio on the videos because my normal setup, I use a voice recorder and a lavalier microphone, and something happened to the lavalier microphone. It like got disconnected or something, but this is supposed to have me talking, and I lost it all. So I'm gonna have to regroup, and I'm doing voiceover instead. Sometimes you gotta roll with things. Also, side note, this monitor that you're seeing everything on, the other day I accidentally knocked it over. Like the frame popped out, there were some electrical components that like also kind of went all wacky, and I thought it was dead. I was like, oh no, I'm gonna have to buy another computer monitor. But I kind of put everything back into place and popped the frame back on, and lo and behold, it still works. So what a miracle. But I was really surprised that it didn't break. But here's just a preview of what you can expect. I think these bows turned out so cool, and I did get the newest Sizzix Holiday Craft Box too. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this footage, but whenever I get something, I tend to like to shoot me unboxing it just in case I need the footage later. I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do with it sometimes, but it's better to have it than not have it. So here is a little preview. These are so freaking cute. I just think, especially like little kids, they're just gonna love these things, hopefully. So I'm gonna be sending these off to some friends and family. I've already sent a few packages in the mail. I really gotta get on that though, because I'm a little bit behind. This thing's pretty nifty. It is a Belkin MagSafe charger, and you can charge both your iPhone and AirPods at the same time. So check this out. Works pretty well, and even though the phone has a case on it, it also will fit on the charger thing. Oops, okay, here we go. It does work, I swear. Okay, here we go. Well, that about wraps it up for the vlog. I just kind of wanted to show you a look into what goes on here every day and what I'm up to. But I hope you enjoyed this. Happy holidays, everybody. As I'm shooting this, it is Thanksgiving week, and we're going over to my mom's house for some Thanksgiving dinner. I would encourage you, if you haven't already, check out my holiday sew-along series. There's going to be some more videos coming, holiday related, some little projects. I'm kind of trying to think of some other stuff, utilizing the Peppermint Collection fabric, and also I might be doing another special holiday video as well. But thanks for coming along on this little adventure. Like the video if you found this somewhat entertaining, and you're welcome to subscribe to the Sewing Report if you like sewing crafts and DIY projects. I'm Jen with the Sewing Report. See you guys again in the next video, and remember, whatever you're doing, make it fun.